So we just received our fridge. So finally I can go to the market and buy whatever we need, because we've been buying daily to cook, and we have to make sure nothing that there's no leftover. So here's the fridge, you guys. I know you guys want me to share all of these things, so here we go. So happy, you guys. Look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the market and I'm gonna go bring us some food. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. All right, you know, when I got this fridge, I seen it only from the front. I had not noticed it was black, and it's good because the stove is black, so it's perfect, you guys. This is just perfect. My daughter was telling me, oh my god, with the fridge here, kitchen looks way smaller. And then I'm also gonna open this. Okay, so I got pots, and I want to share those with you. I got them off from Amazon, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that in this video or if I'm gonna do a separate video. I don't know, we'll see. It depends how we go. Okay, so this is how it's looking, you guys. That's where I'm gonna do my office space. It's gonna be in the room, so as you guys can see, I still have like things on the floor and stuff like that, but here we go. I literally just brought the things today. That's my heat press, and yes, so that's my son's drawer. But pretty much this is what we have. I'm gonna continue bringing things. I'm gonna start putting things up. I still have to go to the market. I haven't gone. It's 10 a.m. I'm gonna pick up my son first because he comes out at 10:30 from school. But yeah, you guys, this is so far what we have. I decided to put that desk there because of the window. But yes, I'll keep you guys updated as we go. So day is almost over, and I just wanted to finish by showing you guys. I did not do a haul because then it's gonna make this video too long. But so far, this is what I want to get. So I want to get some yogurts for the kids. My son loves those. Some nopales for tomorrow. And I got them some juice, tortillas, and I used cabbage for today's food. I had to put those in because they're getting too brown. And then I just got 1 gallon of milk. I'm gonna start with 1 gallon and we'll see how it goes. And then I just got them some burritos. They love those burritos. Some eggs, tortillas, carrots, tomatoes, chiles, because in this house we cannot go without chile. And I just got them some jello, of course. Habanero. I'm gonna show you guys how I use those in a bit. And the kids wanted some Lunchables and cheese for quesadillas tomorrow morning. Some yogurt for me, and that is it, I think. Let me see here. Oh, that's right. So I got some hot pockets, some bolis, okay, because I can't be without bolis. And I got some meat for tomorrow. Those are pork chops. There you go. Is it pork chops? Yeah. So these are pork chops for tomorrow. And then this is what I made today, but I guess I have to get used to buying smaller portions. I keep cooking big portions. So this is what I cooked today, you guys. I apologize I didn't show you guys earlier. I have to get in a habit of recording, but this is what we had, and it goes in a tostada. Okay, we call these enchiladas hondureñas. Some other day I will show you guys how we eat this dish. Let me show you what we do with the habanero. So the habanero, I just cut some onion. So for the habanero, I just cut some onion and I just put lemon and salt, the habanero, and that's it. Okay? So I know a lot of you knows this. So this is what we use for dishes like tostadas, or some people use it for their pozole, or I don't know, but we love to have these especially for today's dish. So later on, if I make one, I'll probably show you guys, but I don't think so. I should have showed you guys earlier, but yeah. All right, so this is what I have so far. I still want to put some shelves right there, but I don't want to do it yet because I need that, I don't know how you call it, but it's a stick that has like a little bubble in the middle, so I can make sure it's going to be straight. But so far, this is what I have. That's where I'm going to put my camera holder, and some of these little things will go up there in those shelves. But this is so far what I have. I'm going to leave my Cricut there. And then I brought my plant here. I need to put this one in a bigger pot and just leave it probably in the living room. For now, I'm just gonna leave it there. And here are my portrait. Now I have a portrait 2, portrait 3. I'm having a hard time with the portrait 3 because I cannot get it to kiss cut right. I don't know what's going on with it. I love my number 2, and I had ordered a number 2, but they sent me a number 3. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Ever since I got this one, I used it once. I'm gonna be honest with you, maybe because I don't know the right settings, but I don't like it. I'm in love with that one. Anyway, so here's my planner, which I haven't been using. And there's my printers that I have. Right there I have cash envelopes. Right there I have stickers. This is my old planner that I was using. Right here on that one I write, like, sometimes I like to write some entries. That's my scrapbook planner, not planner, just book. Just that's where I do all my when I go to work, like my numbers and stuff. If I do, that would be the book. And I have more planners there. And yes, so this is what I have so far, you guys. I still have some stuff on the floor because again I need the shelves there so I can remove some of that stuff. This is like all paper stuff that I don't want to keep here. I want to have like a separate spot for this. I don't know yet where it's gonna go. And then I have like extra cables there. Once I figure out what I'm gonna use and what I'm not gonna use, I'm gonna put it away. And down there I have my my cash envelope binders, my scale. This box has like shipping supplies for my t-shirts and stickers and whatnot. And then here I have like extra paper, stickers, little baggies, and yeah. So this is it, you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.